This beet juice will change your life and have you feeling better than ever in 2024. Are you looking for a simple way to boost your health and well-being? Look no further than beetroot juice. This powerful elixir is packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your body in so many ways. From improving athletic performance to lowering blood pressure, beetroot juice has been shown to have a wide range of health benefits. It's no wonder that many athletes and health enthusiasts swear by this vibrant drink. One of the key benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to increase nitric oxide levels in the body. This can help improve blood flow, enhance endurance, and even reduce inflammation. By incorporating beetroot juice into your weekly routine, you can support your overall health and wellness. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health or simply boost your energy levels, beetroot juice is a fantastic addition to any diet. So why not give beetroot juice a try? Just a glass once a week can make a world of difference. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.